Generate 3 headlines, 30 chars max, 3 descriptions, 90 chars max, pest control for Google Ads. Oh, sorry, not pest control, roofing. Roofing for Google Ads, make it aggressive, right? And then we're going to use that. All right, roofing damage, act now. We're going to paste that in. Beat storms, new roof, paste that in. And stop leaks, save. Well, you can't use, this is special characters, so that's not allowed in our ad. So we're going to simply type in save now, right? Like just like that. And keep in mind, the ones that have learned keyword insertion, do not do keyword insertion into here. So do not do keyword call now, so that the brand name of the company is not inserted into our ads, because the last thing you want to do is misrepresent that you are one of these companies, right? So you do not want to do that. You do not want to say in your ad that you are All Phase Roofing Gutters. You do not want to say that you are Elite Sheet Metal Rain Gutter, right? You do not want to say that you're the company, because then you're going to get sued, and you're going to get in a lot of trouble, and you're also going to get your Google accounts suspended for misrepresentation. I've actually accidentally had that happen before, where I accidentally included the company name into the ad copy itself. The guy calls in. During the call, he's like, "What the fuck is this? Like, why is it saying my company in your ad?" Right? And there's nothing I could say to that one, because like it was a very particular company name. It wasn't like some generic Toronto Roofing or Boston Roofing, something like city keyword. It was literally the company name, because I was brand bidding. So keep that in mind. Do not do keyword insertion. You can show your ads on top of companies, like you could show within like the spaces of other companies, but you cannot say the company itself in your ad. Otherwise, you're going to risk getting in a lot of trouble. So unless we have the ad there, and don't wait, protect your home, fast roofing replacement today. Perfect. Roofing troubles, we fix it fast. Fantastic. And what's the last one? End leaks now, call for same day roof repair and replacement. Well, keep in mind that roofing is not typically same day. It's by appointment, but for the sake of this tutorial, we're going to do it like that. But no roofing company does same day typically, right? Unless it's like some kind of emergency.